Welcome kids to Ovikan Art. Welcome to our fun art session. Today, we are going to draw and paint a super cool blueberry ice cream cone. Let's get started. First, grab your paper and some colorful markers. Begin by drawing a big scoop of blueberry ice cream now. Let's give our ice cream cone some personality. Draw two goofy eyes near the top of the ice cream. Don't forget to draw a big, cheerful smile underneath the eyes, a little tongue sticking out for extra silliness. Make it nice and just like a real scoop of ice cream. Add some swirls and textures to make it look extra tasty. Next, draw a cone shape at the bottom of your paper. This will be the delicious cone that holds our yummy ice cream. It's time to add color. Use shades of blue for the ice cream scoop to give it that delicious blueberry flavor. Use brown for the cone and any other colors you like for the eyes and smile. A funky blueberry ice cream cone with eyes and a smile that's sure to brighten anyone's day. Great job, everyone. I hope you had as much fun creating this tasty treat as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative art ideas. Happy drawing!